नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका आपके और हमारे नर्सिंग चैनल नर्सिंग करियर क्लब में। दोस्तों, जिस हिसाब से आपका हमें रिस्पांस मिल रहा है तो उससे हमारा बहुत ज़्यादा उत्साहवर्धन हो रहा है। तो ये उत्साहवर्धन हमारा जारी रखिए और हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब और कमेंट लिखकर हमारा हौसला अफजाई करते रहिए। तो दोस्तों, आज हम वापस से एक नए टॉपिक के साथ दोबारा हाजिर हुए हैं आपके सामने। साइकेट्रिक सब्जेक्ट का यूनिट का नाम 13 यूनिट का नाम है साइकेट्री इमरजेंसी एंड क्राइसिस इंटरवेंशन। लेट्स डिस्कस अबाउट द साइकेट्री इमरजेंसी एंड द साइकेट्री इमरजेंसी। दोस्तों, ये हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव्स हैं। आपके सामने स्लाइड्स, टॉपिक के नाम हैं, स्लाइड्स के नंबर हैं। तो अभी हम आते हैं इंट्रोडक्शन पे। तो मीनिंग, इंट्रोडक्शन, डेफिनेशन। तो फर्स्टली वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कशन ऑन इंट्रोडक्शन। Psychiatry emergency is an acute disturbance of behavior, thought, or mood of a patient, which are untreated may lead to harm either to the individual or to the other in the environment. साइकेट्री इमरजेंसी एक एक्यूट डिस्टर्बेंस होता है बिहेवियर में, थॉट में, मूड ऑफ ए पेशेंट, विच इफ अनट्रीटेड, अगर उसको ट्रीटेड नहीं किया जाए, मे लीड टू हार्म, वो बहुत ज़्यादा हार्मफुल हो सकता है आइदर टू द इंडिविजुअल और द अदर एनवायरमेंट। नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में चलते हैं दोस्तों। डेफिनेशन: साइकेट्री इमरजेंसी डिफर फ्रॉम अदर मेडिकल इमरजेंसी in that the danger of harm to the society is also taken into account. It may arise due to patient mental state, patient relatives or due to environmental causes. साइकेट्रिक इमरजेंसी जो होती है वो अदर मेडिकल इमरजेंसी से थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा डेंजर होती है, क्योंकि ये पेशेंट के दिमाग से रिलेटेड होती है, पेशेंट के माइंड से रिलेटेड होती है, और पेशेंट इसमें या तो अपने को हार्म पहुंचाता है या दूसरे को हार्म पहुंचाता है। और इसमें कंफर्मेशन ये रहती है कि पेशेंट हार्मफुल स्थिति में इतनी हार्मफुल बना देता है कि यहाँ तक कि वो सामने वाले की जान भी ले सकता है और अपनी जान भी दे सकता है। इसमें एनवायरमेंटल, जो उसके सराउंडिंग के जो एनवायरमेंटल होते हैं वो उसकी काफ़ी मदद करते हैं। जैसे कि कोई शार्प उसके वेपन्स रखे हों, कोई रसोई का ऐसा कोई सामान रखा हो, चाकू वगैरह, कोई घासलेट या कुछ ऐसी सब चीज़ें ऐसी होती हैं, वो उसको बहुत ज़्यादा मदद करते हैं एक हार्मफुल, एक डेंजरस एनवायरनमेंट को क्रिएट करने के लिए। हार्मफुल एनवायरनमेंट, वो हार्मफुल एनवायरनमेंट में अफेक्ट द पेशेंट और द अदर पर्सन। नेक्स्ट स्लाइड पे चलते हैं। क्लासिफिकेशन। तो क्लासिफिकेशन यानी कि कौन कौन सी साइकेट्री इमरजेंसी हमारे थर्ड ईयर के जो साइकेट्रिक जो नर्सिंग है उसमें डाली गई हैं। वैसे बहुत सारे टाइप होते हैं साइकेट्री इमरजेंसी के, बट मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टाइप दैट डिवाइडेड इनटू थर्ड ईयर सिलेबस, दैट इज फर्स्ट इज द सुसाइडल, सेकंड इज स्ट्रेस, ग्रिफ, क्राइसिस, ओवर एक्टिविटी, ऑब्लिक वायलेंस। तो लेट्स डिस्कस फर्स्ट साइकेट्री इमरजेंसी, दैट इज सुसाइड। So this is a suicide picture, and next slide. Suicide. Suicide is commonest psychiatric emergency. Suicide word is derived from a Latin word meaning one's own to kill. Next thing, definition. The conscious act of intentionally causing one's own death. Suicide is a type of deliberate self-harm. Suicide is a human act of self-indulgence and self-inflicted death. Suicide is the commonest psychiatry emergency according to psychiatry emergency data. Suicide word derived from a Latin word that means one's own to kill. Means imagine that a individual wants to kill self. That act, that killing, that murder, self murder involving in psychiatry emergency. Which psychiatry emergency? Suicide psychiatry emergency. Next, second point, let's discuss about the second point. Suicide may cause self harmfulness, it may harm other, like his relatives, like his family members, like his friend. It may be more harmful. It may be more harmful and more common in psychiatric emergency. In the psychiatric emergency, person, individual, patient want to kill self, suicide. Next slide. Psychiatry practice question. How the person function or act in response during behavior dangerous situation called as psychiatric emergency. Rational psychiatric emergency is an acute disturbance of behavior, thought or mood of a patient. Next slide. Warning sign. Warning sign of suicide. What is the warning sign of suicide? Uh, a person, a individual, what different sign show? That sign they help a nurse, a doctor, that person affected with the suicide emergency, suicide psychiatry emergency. So this is a list that sign may help us to identify the suicidal patient. Changing eating habits, changing sleeping habits, drug and alcohol use, neglect of personal care and appearance, reduce attention, concentration, violence, action, antisocial behavior, decline schoolwork, inability to tolerate criticism. So these are the commonest sign of suicide. Changing in eating habits. Imagine that a person involving in severe depression. So eating habits and sleeping habits may change. Drug and alcohol, ड्रग और अल्कोहल हैबिट्स भी उसकी चेंज हो जाती हैं. नेग्लेक्ट पर्सनल केयर एंड अपीयरेंस, रिड्यूस अटेंशन एंड कंसंट्रेशन, वायलेंस एक्शन हो जाता है उसका, और एंटी सोशल एक्टिविटीज़ में वो इन्वॉल्व हो जाता है. और जो इनएबिलिटी टू टॉलरेट क्रिटिसिज्म, वो इनएबिलिटी मतलब द पर्सन इज नॉट एबल टू फील एंड फेस द क्रिटिसिज्म. So these are the commonest sign of suicidal behavior that we identify a person which are involving in suicidal activities. Next slide. Management. Inform psychiatrist, provide a safe environment, remove all suicide means like sharp object, ropes, drugs, etc. Continuous survey, acute emergency interview, counseling and guidance, treatment of psychiatric disorder or ECT in major depression, follow-up cares. So these are that care. With the help of this care, we can save the patient and we can overcome the patient with suicide events. These are the commonest management, these are the basic management. With the help of these commonest management, we save the patient life, we save the patient relatives life, that helpful us to manage the suicidal events. Next, nursing management. Nursing management, this is a list that provide a basic information. This is a way to follow how to deal a suicidal patient. Number first है safety of patient in nursing priority. Patient should be kept under concerned observation. Know about the activities of patient. Patient should not left alone. Patient should not allow taking bath alone. All psychiatry drug, lotion, poison we kept under the lock. under lock and any key. Monitor delayed complication of the drug. Nurses should spend more time with the person who attempts suicide. Encourage patient to express feeling. So these are the nursing management that help a nurse how to treat a suicidal patient. Next slide. Stress. Stress. What is the meaning of stress? The meaning of stress. Stress is a multi-dimensional process. It arises a reaction to various events and circumstances. To stressor may be physical and environment and social factor. The term stressor refers to negative emotional experience with associated behavioral, biochemical and physiological charges that are related to perceived acute and chronic challenges. The term stressor are the events that stimulate these changes. So these are the basic introduction. These are the basic introduction about second most important psychiatry emergency, that is commonly called stress. So stress is a normal reaction that involving various events, that involving various circumstances that initiate with physical and mental and environmental and social factors. So stress may develop with the help of these factors like as physical, environmental and social factors. So a person affect with stress with the help of surrounding factors, physical factors, environmental factors, etc. Causes factors. A list of causes factors showing in slide. Number first है death of loved one, war and violence, divorce, change of house, marital problems, pregnancy, natural disaster, serious health problem, etc. This is the list. With the help of this list, we can identify that person. We can identify a individual affect with the help of which type of causing factor. Means a person is stressed or in a depression state with the help of death of loved ones, war and violence, divorce. Means these causative factors affect the stress, affect the stressor, affect individual during a specific problem. Next, reaction of stress, alarm reaction, stages of resistance, stage of exhaustion. Means the reaction of stress divided into three parts: alarm reaction, stage of resistance, stage of exhaustion. First, alarm reaction. It is an emergency situation that arises due to stress. I repeat, it is an emergency situation that arises due to stress. In this phase, the sympathetic nervous system or person become ready for fight or flight situation. An intense emotional reaction occur under influence of adrenaline or non-adrenaline hormone. Means this is the first type of stress reaction, that is called alarm reaction. It means it is an emergency situation that arises due to stress. In this phase, the sympathetic nervous system of a person become ready for fight or flight situation. Means during this phase, a person for ready fight or flight, means a person want to fight and a person want to flight according to environmental situation, according to surrounding situation. That is called alarm reaction. Next stage of resistance. If the stressor remain continue for a long time, the body secrete opposing hormones like as adrenocortical tropic hormones. If a person confront again and stressor in this stage, there is no alarm reaction due to resistance. Means a person continue facing stress situation, so that person habitually for that problem, and human bodily secrete opposing hormones for particular stress situation. That hormone name adrenal-corticotropic hormones. If a person confront again the stress, imagine that if a person again face the same situation, the body observe it, the body observe its side effect, the body observe the tension, because the body facing that type of problem in before state. There is no alarm reaction due to resistance. Next stage of exhaustion. Regular continuous presence of stressor factors reduce the resistance capacity of person towards old new stress. A person may be physically or mentally ill. A person physically or mentally ill during this stage, or he may have both, that irreversible damage to tissue or to the individual occur, and this sometime follow by the illness and death. This is the third type of stress reaction. In this state, regular continuous presence of stress situation. A person regularly किसी स्ट्रेस सिचुएशन का सामना कर रहा है, तो इसमें एक एग्जॉशन की प्रक्रिया स्टार्ट हो जाती है, और पर्सन लगातार 1 साल से 2 साल से 3 साल से अगर उस सिचुएशन का सामना कर रहा है, तो एक टाइम पर्सन की लाइफ में ऐसा आता है कि पर्सन बिकम फ्रस्ट्रेट, और पर्सन उससे हिम्मत हार जाता है। और पर्सन हिम्मत हारने के बाद क्या होता है, उसकी इंटरनली जो स्टेमिना होती है, इंटरनली जो उसकी शक्ति होती है, जो उसकी स्ट्रॉन्गनेस होती है, वो डैमेज होने लगती है, और पर्सन जो पॉजिटिविटी को फॉलो कर रहा होता है तुरंत नेगेटिव हो जाता है, और सारी की सारी जो होप एंड जो उसकी बर्थ होप होती है उन सबको छोड़ के और एक नेगेटिविटी के उसमें चला जाता है। यानी कि पर्सन सारी की सारी जो अपनी होप होती हैं उनमें बुरी तरह से निराश हो जाता है। तो ये हमारी थर्ड स्टेज हो गई है। मैनेजमेंट, फोकसिंग ऑन प्रॉब्लम, बी टास्क ओरिएंटेड, सेल्फ मॉनिटरिंग। नेक्स्ट है बी रियलिस्टिक। नेक्स्ट है यूज सेंसेस ऑफ ह्यूमर। नेक्स्ट है यूज रिलैक्सेशन एंड डीप ब्रीथिंग। टाइम मैनेजमेंट, express out the emotion by the talking, positive thinking and adopt positive attitude. These are the list that help a person to manage the exhaustion process. Next type of psychiatry emergency, crisis intervention. That following next slide, crisis intervention. In Chinese language, crisis word has two meaning: dangerous, second meaning opportunity. When people face problem which they are unable to resolve by well-tried defense mechanism, the great need for an individual in this situation is to find some significant person who will support him at least for some time. A time when a person, a time when a problem, great danger, difficulty or uncertainty is at its worst point and needs immediate attention for someone. A crisis is sudden event in one's life that disturb mental state result from a stressful event. Meaning of crisis intervention. For an example, initiation from the Chinese language. In the Chinese language, crisis words mean two words, two meanings. Danger, second one is opportunity. So when a person, when a people, when an individual facing problem which they are unable to resolve, which are unable to resolve by well-tried defense mechanism, means a person try more and more and more and 100 times, 1,000 times, but he didn't get success for particular problem. The great need for an individual in this situation is to find someone, significant person who will support, like his family member, like his friend circle, like his wife, like his brother, at least for some time. Means that person strongly need a basic support, a strong support, at least for some time, for fighting the situation. He hardly need a hard support, a strong support to managing self. A time when a problem, great danger, difficulty, uncertainty is at its worst point and need immediate attention for someone. A person is sudden event in one's life that disturbs mental state result from a stressful event. Next, characteristics. Characteristics. Crisis is self-limiting. It requires a long time to cope with it. Crises are not easily resolved by coping mechanism. During this period, the person feel very helpless and upset. A crisis is not limited only to that person but also to the whole family. Crisis can be a turning point in a person's life. Crisis is not limited only to that person but also to the whole family. Next, classification. Crisis conditions are classified in various: development crisis, situational crisis. First one is developmental crisis. It is known as a maturational crisis. Erikson divided the whole life into 8 development stages. According to Erikson, when a person enters into next phase, from one phase he goes through many emotional and psychological changes. This transition phase may work as a crisis for that person. Its maximum influence is seen over the adolescent phase. Development crisis is the first crisis that involving in classification of crisis. Development crisis is related with growth and development. Imagine a individual enter next situation, a individual enter next phase, a individual is going to enter Next life phase. So the same individual leave the comfort zone of previous previous class phase, previous life phase, and he are going to enter, he are going to enter in life new phase. New phase, there are many adjustment. Some adjustment he become to adopt, some adjustment he try to solve the, he try to fight the to surviving new situations. So that fight, that adopt, that whole process affect the person's mind, affect the comfort zone of persons. That is called development crisis. Next, situational crisis. Situational crisis arise due to the failure to fulfill the daily needs and negative result. Situational crisis means related with situation and condition. Current situation and current condition. Failure to fulfill the particular situation, failure to fulfill the daily needs, facing the again and again in daily routine life negative result. So during this process, after this process, situational crisis create by the failure of fulfill the daily needs, like as loss of employment, severe suicidal, changes in living place, marital dispute, technological changes, etc. These some point involving in situational crisis. Next, phases of crisis. Phases. First phase. In this phase, an individual feel a strange kind of tension. Strange kind of tension. This stress may be physical, emotional, or social type. It creates anxiety and emotional arousal in that person, and person does efforts to solve the problem. Second phase, the person become afraid of that crisis provoking event. He keep continuing to use coping skill to cover the anxiety. If this fail, general arousal leading to a disorganized of behavior. Next, third phase. In this phase, the person try to alternate ways of coping. Increasing anxiety and stress make a person unable to use the defense mechanism. Most important line, unable to use defense mechanism, adjustment mechanism effectively. The effect of crisis can be seen over the biological process like sleeping, eating, dreaming, etc. Fourth phase, it is peak phase of crisis stress. Last phase है ये. The stressor remain as it was despite of many problem solving efforts. If there is no still resolution, exhaustion occur. Crisis intervention. Crisis intervention following the slide instructions. First, assessment of the individual and problem. Planning the therapeutic intervention. Implementing the intervention. Evaluation of crisis, resolution of crisis. Technique of crisis intervention. Sedative suggestions, environmental modification, behavior modifications, mental ventilation, clarification, provide support. Next slide, practice question. A disorder in which there is no known reason for the abnormal function of an organ and organ system. Functional disorder, rational assessment of the individual and problem. GRIF. Next, psychiatric emergency coming. GRIF. Introduction. GRIF is the emotional or affective response to the loss. The GRIF process is part of normal recovery process. It is not a sign of pathology. The GRIF take more prolonged, pervasive and complicated course than the people realize. Following the definition, meaning of GRIF. Meaning of GRIF simply we are trying to understand, we are trying to learn Grief means grief means permanent loss, like as material, like as someone, like as family members, like as loved ones. Grief means permanent loss. That all situation involving in grief situation. First of all, grief divided into many stages. So we are focusing on first stage. It is the first reaction. Sorry, first stage named denial. It is the first reaction to loss. It is often shock, numbness, and sense of disbelief. This reaction is common even when the death was anticipated. Denial is the first reaction of grief stage. Denial is the first part of the grief. During denial stage, the person firstly listen the information about the loss and his completely deny. The person completely deny related with the loss, related with the permanent loss. For example, death was loved ones, that was death is family members. The person completely deny related with loss, completely disbelief. Next, anger. Second stage of grief. Anger, the feeling, emotion just follow the shock or denial. It is the illustrated by the sentence like why it happened to me. This anger may be direct towards self, may be displaced to other family members or even to God. Anger is the second stage of the grief. During this process, the second stage completely follow the feeling of first stage. This feeling, emotion just follow the shock or denial process. Means the second stage completely following the first stage. During this stage, it is the sentence, it is the sense, it is the feeling. The person 50% realize the loss, maybe the loss. 50% confirmation during the person's feel 50% confirmation during anger stage. During this stage, the person repeatedly try the one general line, why it has happened to me, why it has happened to me, why it has happened to me. This anger may be direct towards the self. This anger may be direct towards the self. It may displaced to another family member, even God. Next, third stage, bargaining. After a few days, numbness turned to intense suffering. People often feel empty. They are repeated remind of the persons who has died. If God will help me through this, I promise I will go to church every Sunday and volunteer my time to help others. During this stage, a bargaining is made with God in an attempt to revise or postpone this loss. During the third stage arising after few days, when all ending programs get full stop. After few days, family members, friends discussing about the loss, discussing about the person's loss, family members' loss. They bargaining with the hell, they bargaining with the God. If God again provide the life for that person who will die during last days, that person, that family members promise with the God, if you are fulfilling our desire, you are fulfilling our loss, we are permanently going every Sunday, going to church and volunteer time, help other, and they provide 100% confidence for God, for revising the previous situation, revising the previous uh, loss of family. Next, fourth stage, depression. During this stage, fulfill during this stage the full impact of the loss experienced. This is a time of quick depression and dismemberment from the association with the loss of entity. During this stage, the full impact of the loss is experienced. After the third stage, fourth stage arising, and family members face quality depression, quality type of loss, quality type of negative impact, quality type of negative experienced, maximum negative experience, maximum negative impact during this fourth stage. After this stage or before this stage, the family members never face the maximum feeling, but during this stage, the person's family members, friends facing the maximum amount of depressive feelings related with the loss. Expectance. 5 stage. The final stage bring a feeling of peace regarding the loss that has occurred. Focus is on the reality on the loss. Fifth stage. Fifth stage is a normal stage that provide positivity, that provide reality about the life, that provide defense mechanism we can use how to overcome with this depressive stage, with this grief situation. The final stage bring a feeling of peace regarding the loss that has occurred. Focusing is on the reality of loss. Nursing management. Following the slide instruction, establish trusting relationship with patient. Encourage an honest disclosure. Don't attempt to avoid emotional reactions such as anger or crying. Never criticize the patient. Use various techniques to reinforcement. Identify feeling like as anger, guilt, etc. Help the patient to identify new social support system. Guide to the patient through the complete problem solving process. Practice question third. A mental disorder characterized by the loss of contact with reality. Psychosis. Number C option. Rational, more prolonged, pervasive and loss of contact with the reality. This is the whole explanation of psychiatry emergency. We are hoping all the matter, all the type, all the psychiatry emergency we are more helpful, and we are try to more get positivity, provide a positivity lesson, provide a positivity, positive teaching, provide a positive notes, and I hope complete lesson for help understand what is the psychiatry emergency. Thank you.